In this video I will show you how to use n8n on Unraid. n8n is an automation platform with which you can automate all sorts of tasks. For instance, you can automate monitoring a folder for new contents, or monitoring a website for changes, or grab content from a website, combine it with your own content and email it to a customer. The possibilities are virtually endless. So let's start. First, go to the apps menu and search for n8n and install it. Here we have to do a couple of things. First, I'm going to set this to my time zone. Next, you have to make sure that this is a free IP address on your local network. For me, 192.168.50.161 is free. And after this, we have to make sure we put a password here, and I'm just using admin. Now, click apply and wait for it to finish installing. This takes a while, so I will fast forward this. Now click done and go to the web UI of n8n. Just enter the username and the password. Now fill this in according to your own situation. Now this is all you need for to start working with n8n, but let's create a demonstration so you can get an idea of the possibilities. For this we need to go back to Unraid, because I want to make sure that n8n has access to my Unraid file system. Go to Docker and go to the settings of n8n, and at the bottom choose add another path. Now let's call it access to Unraid file system. The container path we will call it Unraid, and the host path will be my media folder with my complete torrents. Click add, click apply, click done, and go back to the web interface and refresh it. Now create a new template, and here you have the work area, and we will add some items to give you a simple demonstration of the possibilities. Now click on the plus sign and search for command. Execute command. Here you can enter the command you want to execute. I'm going to list the contents of the Unraid folder we just added to the Docker image. Click execute node. There you see I have a torrent in this folder. It's just a demonstration, it's not a real torrent, but you get the idea. Close this. Now click on the plus sign and search for mail. Click on send mail. Now first we have to create the credentials for SMTP. I'm going to use Gmail for this. For this we have to go to accounts.google.com, go to security, go to app passwords, there you have it. Choose other, let's call it n8n, and click generate. This is the password. Let's go back to n8n, enter the password. The username is the email address of the account you're using. And the host is in this case smtp.gmail.com. Click save and close this. Now I'm going to use the same email address for the from mail. Oh, that was the password. Let's give it a subject of new torrent. And close this. Now to make this even better, you can also make sure that the email contains the name of the new torrent. Go to text and click this icon, add expression. Sorry, output data, standard out. Close this. Close it again. Let's execute it. It executed successfully. Let's go back to the email. And there you have an email with the name of the torrent. There are a lot of more things you can do with this. You can also check for whether or not there even is a new torrent, or if it's a new torrent, so let's say created within the last 24 hours. The possibilities are endless. But this was just a demonstration to show you what you can do with it and to give you an idea. Thanks for watching.